Hi students, you are welcome to our SSV Excellent Spoken English Training and Computer and Computer Exams. And here is the golden opportunity for SLC, PUC and 5th standard students. Utilize our SSV's coursewares. Okay, then let us go for today's section, that is 1.4 Fundamental Forces in Nature. Okay, now we all have an intuitive notion of force. In our experience, force is needed to push, carry, or throw objects, deform, or break them. We also experience the impact of forces on us, like when a moving object hits us, or we are in a merry-go-round, going from this intuitive notion to the proper scientific concept of force is not a trivial matter. Early thinkers like Aristotle had wrong ideas about it. The correct notion of force was arrived at by Isaac Newton in his famous laws of motion. He also gave an explicit form for the force for gravitational attraction between two bodies. We shall learn these matters in subsequent chapters. In the macroscopic world, besides the gravitational force, we encounter several kinds of forces. Muscular force, then contract forces between bodies, friction, which is also a contact force parallel to the surfaces in contact, the forces exerted by compressed or elongated springs and taut strings and ropes tension, the force of buoyancy and viscous force when solids are in contact with the fluids, the force due to pressure of a fluid, uh, the force due to surface tension of a liquid, and so on. There are also forces involving charged and magnetic bodies. In the microscopic domain, again, we have electric and magnetic forces. Nuclear forces involving protons and neutrons, then interatomic and intermolecular forces, etc. We shall get familiar with some of these forces in later parts of this course. A great insight of 20th century physics is that these different forces occurring in different contexts actually arise from only a small number of fundamental forces in nature. For example, the elastic spring force arises due to the net attraction or repulsion between the neighboring atoms of the spring when the spring is elongated or compressed. This net attraction or repulsion can be traced to the unbalanced sum of the electric forces between the charged constituents of the atoms. In principle, this means that the laws for derived forces such as the spring force, friction are not independent of the laws of fundamental forces in nature. The origin of these derived forces is, however, very complex. At the present stage of our understanding, we know now of our four fundamental forces in nature, which are described in the brief here. So here we are going to understand those. That is, first it is called gravitational force, and also electromagnetic force, and also strong nuclear force, and also weak nuclear force. These are the forces we are going to learn. And also students, you are again welcome to our SSV excellent coaching class. We are going to start what? The passing package course for SLC, PUC, and also for the Navodaya Adarsha Shining students, and though Murarji also we are giving. Those who are interested, they can join. and also you can share this message to your friends. And dear students, I told you are going to listen a very good news from our SSV as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. You are welcome. See you again in the next class.